you doing, boy?
I'm hunting.
Hey, get your hands off that bear's an animal too. Bears matter.
Hello, sir. What can I get for you?
Get me a vegan menu because I am a vegan.
Okay.
Took you long enough? Nothing on this menu is not actually vegan. Not vegan, that has meat in it. Not vegan, that has milk in it. Not vegan. The only thing on this menu that is vegan is the menu. Oh, get that meat out of here. It is meat. Now we have to have a doggone funeral for this meat. Get your tuxedo on. Is this applesauce? No. Okay. You know where applesauce comes from? Apples. You know what apples are grown on trees. You know what trees are grown in? They're grown in dirt. You know what could be inside that dirt? Manure. You know what manure comes from? Cows. And a cow is an animal. Bring it back to the grocery store. Oh, come on, who put this doggone meat in my doggone kitchen? I'm a doggone vegan. Be gone, demons. Be gone. Be gone. Be gone. Be gone. Be gone. Oh, hold on a second. Okay, you're good. Is this water? Yeah, I'm sure this go against vegan rules somehow, but I don't know. But put it back. I don't want this water. That meal was yummy. What did I just eat? A ham sandwich? You doggone boy, that has doggone meat in it. I am not letting meat be digested by me. Now we need to have another funeral. There's nothing vegan in my refrigerator anymore. I can only trust nature now. A fresh vegan meal. I'm gonna take a round in the clovers now.
Hey, look, rocks.
No. I'm sure rocks come from animals somehow. It's not vegan. Let's go. We're gonna have leftovers tonight. Yes. Oh, yes. It's vegan heaven. I love being a vegan. It's all coming back up again. I just forgot the most vegan thing ever. I can eat air. That can't get any more vegan. The most vegan water that you can get is puddles. Oh yeah. Look, it's a can of a pure vegan meal.
Getting